Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Now if you're new here, you probably obviously saw a lot of tool review videos. That's because at 5 years I refreshed every single one of my tools. And I replaced them all with almost 100% Harbor Freight, with the exception of a few that I couldn't find, which we're going to talk about today. Also going to see videos on raccoons, cats, food, and the stuff we do around our property here in Western rural Minnesota. So the tool we're going to be unboxing and reviewing and demonstrating today is actually a Black & Decker. Sorry, Harbor Freight people, they did not have this. They didn't have a tool like this at Harbor Freight. This is a Black & Decker garden cultivator. We're going to unbox it, we'll go through it, and we'll try it out. Stay tuned. And this is how it came from Amazon. I already cracked the tape seals on it, so sealed up pretty good. My wife was the one who was asking about this. Now, Harbor Freight does have a cordless garden tool. It's that tiller, that 60 volt tiller, which is pretty powerful. Now, is this too big for her? So these are the cultivator things that turn, or blades, that you want to call them. Got some instructions. Got a handle. And here's the tool itself. All right, so let's get all the plastic off all these. Oh, it's packaged pretty well. Now I'll show you what else that I have here that she was using. It's a quarter tool, but she had a little bit of a hard time with it, and that's why she wanted this. It comes with a cotter pin. Do not lose that. Of course, it's on something, so you won't lose it, which is nice. Lots of packaging. So the first thing we do is get this on. That's pretty easy to do. Snaps right on. Let me get this out of here, clean this up a little better. And these are keyed so they only go in a certain way. Now the only complaint I heard about this is people are complaining about these cotter pins. Some people were swapping out for a little bit better ones. That's the only thing you want to be aware of, that these are a little cheaper. Probably go and swap these out for better cotter pins when you get to the hardware store next. So this is just going to go on here like this. There's only one way that goes on. Then you got that cotter pin there. That just snaps on like that. We got the other one to put on. Okay, got both those on. Now the handle. And this does adjust, so you can loosen it up. You're going to pull that. Tighten it back up. Then the handle, you want to take this piece out so we can put it on there. And put that piece back in there. Okay, we have our handle in there, and we're set. Now the battery. Now this is how it's packaged, just so that that trigger doesn't go off. So we're going to cut that. So that's together. Let me show the battery. And this is a Black & Decker battery. There's no indicator on it. If you're used to like the Bauer and Hercules, you got the lights on it. That doesn't have that. And this is a charger that they use here. There's no cradle. You just stick this on a battery like that and plug it in. I already got 2 other Black & Decker tools, so these batteries are interchangeable with them. And I'm going to show you what I have been using. These are pretty common. This is actually a corded, I don't know what brand it is, Earthwise they call it. Brand never heard of, but I've had it for a while. And these are the most common like this. And what happened is that this was getting away from my wife. This way just take off on her, and she wasn't really strong to handle it very well. So that's how we got the other one. And we're going to stick a battery in it. Of course, these are only 1.5 hour amp, and I got 2 of these. Pretty small battery, but that's what I've had. We got that in there. Just gonna, I got pull back on the switch like this. Okay. I'm gonna bring this up so you can see what it does. See how it operates like that? I haven't saw anything on the market that actually operates like this. We're just gonna go over here and just try it out next to my pine trees here. I'm gonna bring the camera down lower so you can see this. I mean, just that little area did, but you looked, it actually did pretty good. And that's just a simple demonstration of what this Black & Decker cultivator can do. Light use, you're not going to rip up really hard sod with this thing, just for light use. Especially only have like what I have, those 1.5 amp hour batteries. Now I had one reviewer on my last Black & Decker video that he said that he had everything Black & Decker, and he really loved the whole lines. Black & Decker would probably be equal to like Bauer or Skill. It's a pretty good line. It's just not as popular as it used to be back in the 1980s. So guys, if you have any questions, put in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.